Hello, today I am filling in for librarian James and his project of making slime. What you're going to be getting in your kit for this slime making kit is clear glue. Now this one's going to be filled just about to the top. Activator, now this is the one that's going to be filled just about to the bottom, and some green watercolor. Now don't worry about the watercolor, it'll come out of your hands after you wash your hands. So, you're also going to be getting a little plastic animal. So the first thing you're going to do to get this consistency, this type of slime, is you're going to take your popsicle stick that you're going to be getting, and you're going to add a little bit of activator to your glue at a time, not the whole thing, just one little drop, one drop like that, and you'll see it fall to the surface. And then what you're going to do is mix it up. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. I don't know if you can see here, it's starting to get bubbles in it, and it's starting to get really sticky. Not quite like slime, but sticky and bubbly. Then you're going to add another drop. And you're gonna keep stirring. It's making slime sounds, and it's starting to look like slime just as it starts to pull away from the sides of the cup. You see that? How it sort of pulls itself away? That's how you know it's starting to become slime. So you keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. Add another drop. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. Okay, once you are done mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and putting in all of your activator, your slime will start to get almost like a rubber ball. Now what you can do is to mix it in even more, you can knead it by stretching it, folding it, stretching it, and folding it. Oops, just like that. So it starts to get really elastic. Oh my. Stretching it and folding it. And then you can add in little animal pieces that we put in, or you could add in more color. And now your slime has become slimy. Let's see if it bounces. I'm going to take the animal out and try and bounce it. Don't forget to sign up for our summer reading. We have a lot of programs and a lot of prizes. You can come in to sign up, or you can sign up online. You can give us a call and sign up. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 516-489-2220, extension 215. That's 516-489-2220. So don't forget to sign up. Let's see if this bounces really high. Let's see if it bounces up there. Oh!